एक दिन पहले तक so many people around me and they're like कि हम कभी नहीं मानेंगे. Cut to 24 hours later addressing him as Kavarsa.
आज से मेरा घर ते
You might feel कि things are not moving. I'm telling. Hi, I'm Pragya.
and this is Saurabh.
एंड लास्ट वीडियो में आपने देखा होगा कि कैसे हमारा 5 साल का वेट के बाद हाँ हुआ था. एंड दिस इज अ कंटिन्यूएशन वीडियो ऑफ दैट. सो इफ यू हैव नॉट वॉच्ड इट, गो वॉच इट नाउ. अब हाँ तो हो गया था मेरी फैमिली से, बट द थिंग हियर वाज इट वाज 15th of December जब हाँ हुआ, और 16 December अराउंड 3 PM,
Yes.
अराउंड 2-3 PM को बैड मंथ स्टार्ट हो रहा था. तो बेसिकली इफ दैट स्टार्ट्स 1 month, देयर इज नो गुड auspicious thing you do. So literally 15th हाँ हुआ, and next day दोपहर से पहले we have to do our रोका. So a thing in our in Marwadis is if you call and tell a yes, मतलब वो fix हो जाता है. But obviously
हमारे इसमें थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. हमारे इसमें रोका करते हैं चुनी चढ़ा के, and for that we wanted to make sure that we do that before 16th afternoon. तो इसके लिए we decided कि हम करेंगे वो हमारे घर पे,
yeah,
and we had to prepare for everything.
like literally now imagine no preparation, no anticipation, you only have a few hours and you have to do the roka. So obviously it was a very small close gathering, घर पे ही किए थे. But one thing was कि Saurabh's brother and भाभी weren't in town, so they were a little skeptical कि उनके बिना कैसे करें. But
We didn't want to wait क्योंकि इसके बाद एक महीना we wouldn't be able to do
no,
things.
so they forced them like कि no, it's okay, don't wait for us, just do it, because अगर वो इतना वेट के बाद हाँ बोले हैं, जस्ट गो एंड फिक्स कर दो. यहाँ पे मेरे घर पे सारे प्रिपरेशंस हो रहे हैं. एंड देन इमेजिन कि एक दिन पहले तक भी लाइक आई रिमेम्बर so many people around me and they're like कि हम कभी नहीं मानेंगे, तेरे को सच में वो चाहिए. Like it's just 24 hours back, all of this cut to all of these things were happening that you know we'll never accept him, we'll never do. And cut to 24 hours later they are like addressing him as Kavarsa, and they are like Kavarsa के लिए ये पैक कर देते हैं. They're making fruit baskets, they're making this basket, and their you know preparation इतना full fledged में हो रहा है. And I'm like, is this happening for real? मैं अपने घर पे देख रही हूँ and I'm like, okay, is this happening for real? सच में ये चीज़ें हो रही हैं. And it took some time to process, but yes, it was happening in real. And your end क्या हो रहा था?
हाँ, so हमारे end में भी because it was so last minute, we had to do all of the preparations. We had to go get some jewelry for Pragya. We had to host guests at home. तो उसके लिए भी सारे preparation करना था, decoration करना था. So getting all of that done in less than 14 hours before we do this. It was very last minute, but we've been waiting for this moment for a very long time, and कैसे तैसे वो हो ही गया था.
Yeah, everyone were on their toes, and then obviously next day outfit भी था. It was very simple outfit ही, but then I was like कि मेरे को कुछ नया पहनना है. And if you would have spoken to me, some of you would have known my manifestation journey of the 4th year. So उस journey में yes, the outfit as well इनके घर से लेके रखे थे, because I was कि इनके December होगा. His family had actually arranged a dress, a few dress, even they were manifesting from their end, I think. वो बातें ऐसी बातें हो रही थी ना कि होगा नहीं होगा, आई एम नॉट फीलिंग ओके. कट टू नेक्स्ट डे इन 24 hours our talks are like कि आई एम वेयरिंग दिस, और what are you wearing, do I do this, what are we going to do, and you know things are on the official ground, and सारी बातें वैसी हो रही थी. So it was very different and everyone were on their toes. And I remember 3 AM हमारी बात होती है उसके बाद, and I'm like, how's the preparation? And he's like, we speak, and he's like कि everyone's like you know ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, इतने काम है. And obviously he was also very tired because भैया भाभी भी नहीं थे, so majorly it was also him running around चीज़ें करने के लिए. But obviously we waited for this day. And even here I couldn't sleep. I'm like, Saurabh नींद ही नहीं आ रही, कब सुबह होगा, कब आएंगे, कब official होगा. And yeah, I don't think I could sleep that night, and I was so happy, overwhelmed. I don't know what, I don't have words to express what the feeling was, but it was very, very, very different and surreal. Yes.
Same.
Saurabh, one question. अगर let's say 2 घंटे में तुमको रोका करना पड़ता तो भी you would have just like done it?
Of course.
Yeah.
हमको 2 मिनट बोलते, 2 मिनट में मैं पूरा डेकोरेशन, पूरा सब सामान, सब कुछ रेडी कर देता.
Now next day होता है and obviously I get ready and he's also up with texting and I'm like, okay, this is happening. Sort of everyone's so excited at my house as well, and I get ready. I sent him ready होके every single time. I remember मैं तैयार होके इसको फोटो भेजती थी कहीं भी जाके या कोई फंक्शन जाते थे. I always used to be like, when will this ever happen? I so want to do it with you. Hope you, I mean, I wish you were there. And this time I was getting ready for him, for us. Felt different. I'm sending him my picture, and you know, those little things were so different. And we start. हम इसके घर जाते हैं, and they're so warm. Like his parents, obviously now imagine they were very patient and they were waiting for this day with him. तो अगर इसने wait किया है तो 100% his family also waited for 5 years for me, for us. So they were so warm. I remember entering his house and obviously वो आरती करते हैं, and I'm like, okay, this is happening. And I come home, I come sit here. I think I was sitting here,
Yeah.
the same place, this
This
couch.
couch,
The day वो रोका हो रहा था, and his parents are blessing us, his masi mausa, everybody is so happy, and I can see my family being so happy. And imagine, like, you've waited, you've cried every single night, and when you know finally वो चीज़ हो रही है, you just don't know how do you react, how do you process, how do you tell anything. I so wanted to cry. मतलब those happy tears, but I controlled. I did not, and I sort of did cry. Yeah,
Oh.
don't lie. So one thing also was, see, I sing. मैं तेरा रास्ता जो भी है सब मेरा तेरे हवाले कर दिया, जिस्म का हर रुआ. But Saurabh was at a surprise. So Saurabh has always been a very introverted guy. So अगर आप ये सौरभ को देख रहे हो, आई डोंट नो क्या आपके लिए पोर्ट्रे हो रहा है, बट द सौरभ आई मेट वाज अ वेरी सडू introverted guy. I literally had his name saved as Mr. Sadu for the longest of time. So he was a very introverted, shy, calm se calm, very different kind of, obviously the heart was the same, but the personality was very different. And he suddenly starts singing, and he sang this song Aaj Se Teri.
सारी गलियां.
I think I have that video and I should attach. I will attach that video.
आज से तेरी सारी गलियां मेरी हो गई, आज से मेरा घर तेरा हो गया. वो तेरे कांधे का जो दिल है, वो तेरे सीने में जो दिल है, वो तेरी बिजली का जो बिल है, आज से मेरा हो गया.
Yeah, when he was singing that song, I think वो इतना feel किया कि he had tears. I could see that tears, and नाटक मत कर. He was so teary. I think twice I saw Saurabh getting so teary, and the other was, I think, जब his parents came and were blessing us, I could see his eyes very teary. I don't think उसको याद होगा. I think this is a typical men behavior that they don't remember anything. So if you face the same, I feel you. So that became our song. I remember I never heard that song much, but after that, repeat, I just used to listen to that song. Obviously that becomes so attached हो जाते हो तुम उस songs. Apart from this, my sister and my best friend. So my best friend was working in Bangalore, and surprisingly 15th जब हाँ हुई थी, 15th को उसका बर्थडे था. I just call her, she's crying, she's so happy, and I suddenly tell her कि next day morning रोका है, and she took a train 5 a.m. का, and I thought क्योंकि उसका birthday था, her birthday was planned, I was like will she be able to make it, because I think she was awake till 3 a.m. and I thought कि she will not make it, but she took a 5 a.m. train, she somehow came, and that was again a surprise for me. She made it. You remember I used to tell you जब official होगा तो I see people just put clip photos and you know it's happening. I was like नहीं Saurabh, I don't want, हम इतना time wait किए हैं, we did not put it out on social media. Obviously we couldn't, I never could post anything about him and I so wanted to. So I always told him जब हाँ होगा we'll do something cute, we'll do something nice. So we went down and you know it took us quite a time.
Quite some time to figure out where to take that video.
Yeah, क्या करे कैसे करे, but then he shot a video and then I edited it within some time. I go home within an hour, we make it official on Instagram, and I'll put that video as well. I really love that video. It's very simple, but yeah, it just
Cute video.
then imagine pura Instagram pe there's so many comments, congratulations, we're getting calls and everyone now knows and they're like congratulations. I'm like okay, I just don't know how are people reacting, but yeah, that was the best feeling, and I think this was it.
We've been waiting for this day, and वो at last वो हो ही जाता है, वो हो रहा है, and I can see everybody so happy, right? I mean that was the main intention. Our intention was कि जब ये हो everybody comes together and it happens with everybody's blessings, and seeing that I think it was the best feeling. I think one of the best days of our lives.
Saurabh had texted, I still have that message where at the end of the day he messaged me this thing that this was the best day of my life, and I was like yes. So yes, it was definitely the best day. We finally, वो एक होता है ना sigh of relief, फिक्स हो गया, हाँ हो गया, everyone's happy, सब कुछ हो गया, okay. Literally feeling like we've won everything, and we waited for that day for so long. वो हो गया. I'll tell you one thing that you might feel कि things are not moving. I'm telling you, even अगर 15th को हाँ हुआ है, 14th December as well, things were not moving at all, and they were so adamant, they were so no. Even on 14th December, मेरे को नहीं दिख रहा था कुछ होगा, and it happened. So if you think things are not moving, it is a process. You know it is going to take time, but you have to put in efforts for them to understand. And within 24 hours, जहाँ पे ना हो रहा था 24 hours में, we were officially together. Yeah. And that was the best feeling. There are a lot of things which we want to share. क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, आगे क्या क्या चीज़ें हुई, because there are a lot of things which happened. So stay if you can relate, and thank you for watching.
See you guys.